going to show you how to do the wire wrapping, separating the beads and connecting to chain the way I have here. Basically, first off, you start with threading exactly in the order that you want the beads to be in, and take round nose pliers with preferably dead soft wire. So you do this. Make sure you have enough wire. It will take about at least an inch per mini wire wrap. So you wrap like that, depending on how many wraps are you going to do. And here I'm just doing 2 round. You snip it off, hold it tight, and do a circle. And sometimes you have to adjust to make sure that you get enough room, and I do twice around. And there you have one of them. And one of the reasons why I wire wrap, I thread all the beads through is very quickly I know to continue down my pattern. I thread onto another like this, and then I move that in there so it's locked inside the loop. Then you do it again. And you continue this way. It's just faster once you keep sliding it, and it becomes second nature. Now, to attach the chain, what you want to do is you want one side to have the chain, and I do it like this. So that the chain is right through. So that one side has the chain already in place, and then you loop it onto the other like this, and your other loop through like this. And so basically you can continue on for as long as you need it to be. There you go.